English Conversation for Beginners. Episode 1. New Friends. At a coffee shop, Emma and Julia are standing in line. Julia looks around, checking the menu above the counter. She frowns slightly, looking unsure. Emma notices this and smiles.
First time here?
No, it's my second time. I just don't know what to order. There are so many options.
Yeah, they have great coffee. Do you like sweet or strong coffee?
Sweet, I think.
Then you should try the caramel latte. It's my favorite.
That sounds good. Thank you.
No problem. By the way, I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Julia.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. I'm here for an exchange program.
Really? That's cool. Welcome to the US.
Thank you.
By the way, how old are you?
I'm 20. And you?
I'm 21.
They get their coffee and sit at a table.
So, how do you like it here so far?
I like it a lot. People are very friendly. But everything is so different.
Yeah? What's different for you?
The food, the streets, even the way people talk.
Yeah, I guess it's a big change. Do you like American food?
Yes. I love burgers and pancakes.
Oh, pancakes are the best. You should try waffles too.
Yes. I tried them yesterday. So good.
Nice! What do you think about this coffee shop?
I love it. The coffee is really good.
Yeah, and their muffins are amazing.
Oh, really? I need to try one next time.
Yes, you should. So, do you have a phone number? I can text you, and we can hang out sometime.
Yes. Here is my number.
Great! I'll text you later. Maybe we can go to the mall this weekend?
That sounds fun.
Awesome! Well, I have to go now, but it was really nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, Emma. See you soon.
See you!
Now, let's see how well you understood the dialogue with this multiple-choice quiz. Only one answer is correct for each question. Try to pick the right one. 1. Where do Emma and Julia meet? A. At the mall. B. At a coffee shop. C. At school. Two. Why is Julia unsure about what to order? A. She doesn't like coffee. B. There are too many options. C. She forgot her wallet. 3. What drink does Emma recommend to Julia? A. A caramel latte. B. An espresso. C. A hot chocolate. 4. Where is Julia from? A. Mexico. B. Brazil. C. Spain. 5. What is Julia doing in the USA? She's on vacation. B. She's working at the coffee shop. C. She's in an exchange program. 6. How old are Emma and Julia? A. Julia is 20, and Emma is 21. B. Julia is 18, and Emma is 22. C. Julia is 21, and Emma is 20. Seven. What food does Julia say she loves? A. Pizza and tacos. B. Burgers and pancakes. C. Salad and soup. Eight. What does Emma suggest Julia try next time? A. A muffin. B. A sandwich. C. A smoothie. Nine. What do Emma and Julia plan to do together? A. Go to the movies. B. Go to the mall. C. Go to the library. Ten. How do Emma and Julia decide to keep in touch? A. Through email. B. On social media. C. By texting each other. How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments. And remember, every mistake is a chance to learn. Keep practicing, and you'll improve every day. See you in the next video.